Hey guys, it's Jacob with Orlando Harley Davidson, and today I'm going to show you how to tie down a trike on your Stinger trailer. Today I'm going to show you how to load your bike and strap it down to make sure it's secure for your long hauls. It's very simple. There's going to be designated tie down spots. We're going to move outside and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Step one in tying down your trike is, of course, we're going to go ahead and get it on the trailer. Line it up perfectly to where that front wheel is going to be in line with that middle beam that goes all the way through the distance of the trailer. And we're going to take it real slow and just balance that clutch and throttle all the way up and make it as smooth as possible. Now that your bike's loaded up, we're going to go ahead and lift up that loading gate and start the strap down process. So the first thing we're going to go over during the tie downs is going to make sure that that front tire is nice and secure in that front wheel chock. Make sure that you have 3 full points of contact on that front wheel chock. It's going to be the back, the middle, and then the front of the tire as well. Now that the wheel chock is secure, we're going to go ahead and grab the soft straps and get ready for the tie downs. So for the front tire, the tie down points is we're going to go through these ringlets, through the front tire and to the other one. Go ahead and take your soft straps, feed them through the wheel and secure them to your tie down points. So now that we've gotten it strapped down in the front, we're going to go ahead and move to the back and I'll show you where to tie them down back there as well. What we're going to do here is we're going to go through this ringlet, through the back tire, up to this one. If you come follow me, we have another one right here that we're going to connect it to as well. So let's go hop over to the other side and get that other wheel strapped down. Feed it through the wheel and get to the tie down spots and lock it down. For me personally, I've never had an issue with my experience hauling trailers like this, but if you really want to cover your bases and just have that little bit of extra protection, there's a couple of different tie down spots in the rear of the trailer that I'm also going to show you. All we're going to do is take this tie down point right here and basically do the same thing where we're going to go through the tire and then back through the same one. Now we're just going to go ahead onto the other side and repeat the process. After you're done with that, go ahead and take a once over around the trailer and make sure that all your tie down points are strapped properly. Go ahead and start at the front of the trailer and move your way back. Making sure that all the safety pins are where they need to be, making sure that your motorcycle is strapped down properly, and making sure that the trailer is actually attached to the hitch. So now that the trike's strapped down, we're going to go ahead and pick that ramp back up, put the pins back in, and we're going to hit the road. So for more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And for any other questions, go to stingertrailers.com.